Before we begin, guys, I want to let you know this video was sponsored by PowerFly, the makers of this awesome glow-in-the-dark capture the flag game. Enjoy. Guys, this game is called Capture the Flag. It is a pretty awesome game because it glows in the dark. And right now, it is dark, and we're going to actually go play it. If you guys want to pick up this game, the link is going to be in the description below. So check it out, guys. Doesn't it look fun? Let's go ahead and actually open it up. This is for 16 players. And everything glows. There's a total of 16 bracelets in here, 2 balls, 2 flags, and then there's these things that glow basically for like where, you know, to show like where the goal is. Batteries are included. Let me see how to actually make it glow. You'll have to pull out the white little papers right here to make them glow. So we're just gonna sample one of them. So basically you set these things up kind of like the goals and stuff like that. You run around at night and you have a bunch of fun. And here's the balls, they glow. Let's turn it on. Look at that, it's glowing. And you guys will see them. Oh, look at that, it's changing colors. That is amazing. Turn it on. Look, there's 2 purple now, and it's just gonna basically just keep changing colors. So that's cool. I will actually go ahead and do one more because I want to see if it's going to be a different color or it's going to be same. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that little paper. I love when games come with you know, everything included. Obviously this is a different color. So we have the yellow, we have the blue. Well, now I want to do another one because I wonder if that's basically we're gonna have maybe like 8 yellows and maybe like 8 blues, so we could see whose goal is to what. And guys, if you never played this game, of course there's rules for playing this game, and you don't have to follow the rules. You could make up your own. So we have these things. They're wristbands. Look at this. And these things glow too. So let's go ahead and actually pull them out of the box. This is so awesome. So we're gonna have a tab right here. So we just pull it out. This is supposed to just start glowing or what? I don't know, but let me see if there's any. Oh yeah, there's a button. Okay, so you press a button over here. It shows that it's on. So you can have it blinking, and you can have it off. So basically, this is how you put it on for kids. What I'm going to do is we don't have 16 players, but we have 4 players. So everybody's going to have wristbands on each arm and each leg. So that's going to be kind of fun. So let's go ahead and actually unbox this. Pull the tab out. Turn it on. And so we probably have some blue ones, and we have the red ones over here too. So 8 red, 8 blues. And that's how you know who your teams are. So boys could play against girls, or teams could play against teams. Let's, I guess, for good measure, put a red bracelet. I think it's going to be so fun to play this thing in the dark, because when you're playing it in the dark, everything's going to be glowing. And if you have it on your hands and your feet, you know, that's how that's going to be. But anyways, let me pull all the flags out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's because I have 2 more on my wrist, so that's 8. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flags. So this is because there's 8 red, 8 blue, and now let's look at these things here. So this is where the balls are. So basically we put the balls in here. And then you have these things. So let me pull them out. and we want to make sure we have all of them in the box. So basically we got 4, we got 8, we got 4, and we got 6. So basically we have 12 of these. This is to set up goals because you don't have to have 16 of them. But for good measure, there's what? Am I mistaken something? There's a total of 14 of them. Unless I cannot count. So we got 12, we got 14. So anyways, let's go play! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little game. If you guys like this video, please hit a like. If you would like to buy this game because you like it, please go to the link in the description below and you could actually pick it up right there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. My name is Serge Zamaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke,
but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.